In this video we have different coil problems and the approaches that I take to fix them. This is for Maxima or Infiniti from any year that uses coils, independent coils. And they could also be used for other cars. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. We got the code P0303 on an Infiniti i30. Same thing as a Maxima from 95 to 99. That means that the piston number 3 is misfiring. How can you tell what numbers are your pistons? Well, look at it this way. Left to right, top to bottom. So top, bottom, left, right, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we have number 3 right here. Using a size 10 with the wrench size 10, or its equivalent to metric, which will be 5/16, we are going to remove the coil from the engine. But before, carefully, let's take the connector off. You press on here. Be careful not to pull the wires, because then you'll have problems with your connector. Inspect for rust. Alright, that's out. Move it to the side, right here, and proceed. Okay, now remove the other screw. Once you loosen up your screws with a wrench, you can use a magnetic screwdriver to get that bolt out. Or you can just pull it up like this. Ahora separa un poco, papá, para que se vea cómo estoy sacando esto. See? That's it. This is a coil that might be misfiring. Could be also the injector, fuel injector. So, first thing, sometimes these coils have a little hole here, someplace, and the electricity jumps and hits the engine before it goes to the spark plug. And that's what we're going to try to fix. Hoping that's what it is. To test if it's your coil or something else, grab. See that again? See? You grab some of this tape and start wrapping it around. Your coil. You could also use duct tape. That's it. Now, I'm going to use a cable tie to ensure that with the heat this won't unwrap and just go everywhere. That's it. There's one up here and one down here. Grab a little blade. Preferably, grab a little blade and preferably cut away from your fingers or face. There we go. Now let's put it back in. Be gentle. Try not to bend the coil too much. Alright. Let's put the screw in there first. Because it's the rear one. Easily lost. Before you tie that up, let's put the second screw in. This vehicle in particularly has 150,000 miles plus, so maybe it needs new coils. And it has the original ones because it's that Nissan in there. This is all set, just a quick tiny twist. That's it. Let's put the plug back. Now this is critical. This is critical because if you put this bad, if you put this in the wrong position, you can damage your connector, and then that will cause you a lot of problems. So try to go as straight as you can, possibly can. Straight and easy. That's it. I can feel this plastic now is brittle. So that's it. It's all set. It should work now. Now we have a Nissan Maxima. Now we have the coils here with a different kind of connection. It used to be something like this for a 95 96 up to 99 for Infiniti or Maxima, but they change it to be a connection like this one over here. Like this one over here. So it has a little button there. Now how do you take this off? You push it with your screwdriver a little bit and you push it inwards like this. And it should pop out easily. Most people don't know, and they try to pull this from here like that and they break it. There's enough trouble with this connection type to, on top of that, just break the plastic things. Most mechanics won't know and they'll break everything. Now this connects like this. Try to connect this straight. Alright, and it pops on like that. I'm going to take it out, push it in, and it pops right out. That's how it works. We're gonna, in this car, we have the connections messed up. And I was trying to repair them, but it didn't work. So I went up and got some old Nissan connection types. And I'm going to use this connection and swap it into here, into my harness. Now how this works, it has a little it's like a square thing. And let's see if I can get the camera to focus. It was working well. Okay, there we go. This square has a little tip on top, and inside has a bally like this one here. See this middle part that bends around and it pushes and touches this with the male part in the coil. Those connections there, those males. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to solder. Now this is how this goes in. Goes in, if you notice, this little thing goes upwards like that. And that's it. That's how it goes in. And inside it has a white part. It goes in like this. And you just push it in. Alrighty. Well, let's solder. Let's solder these cables into the car's harness.